One top tip for making continuous improvement ideas actionable. For me, it's a little bit of rigor, put a little bit of thinking into it. I'm a big fan of setting up retro ideas as experiments. So what's the hypothesis? That's very often what's coming out of the conversation. We think that by doing this, we will be better in this way. That's a hypothesis. Great. But then we need to think of an approach. What's the experiment to test that? So we've got a hypothesis. We've got a way of testing that. Or what are we actually going to do as a team to be better? Okay. And how are we going to know we're better? What are the measurements that we're going to take and the criteria for success? So we're going to sort of move our daily scrum from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. because we believe that's going to work better for us. It's going to give us time to sort our emails in the morning, get settled into the day. John's always a bit late, starting up anyway. So it means that at 10 o'clock, we'll actually start. So hypothesis, it will flow better. Experiment is moving the daily scrum, poorly articulated. So what are we going to measure? Well, is everybody there at the start? If so, compared to previous times, this is a better thing. We're able to start the daily scrum on time, with fewer interruptions. So number of interruptions, interrupted daily scrums, number of times we start without all the people, whatever it is that matters to that conversation, we can start measuring. So for me, the top tip to make your improvement actions measurable is really think of them as an experiment. Sit down and work out what is your hypothesis at play? What is the approach you're going to take? What are you going to measure? And what's the criteria to say that this is successful, that we know we are better because we took this action on? That's from me though. I'm interested. What's your top tip to make retro items actionable?